insurance program for children. CHIP was created by the federal government with the aim of providing the children with free or affordable healthcare assistance program. Although this program is funded by the federal government, its administration is done within the state level. With CHIP, it is a program that is fairly exclusive. Generally, it covers more than 7 million kids each year and it targets both the eligible immigrants and US citizens. In every state, you will find a version of this particular health coverage. For the income range, it is also fairly high. Most of the states tend to set income thresholds that are higher and still allow children and teenagers to qualify. The reason for this resource being created was in order to be able to offer health insurance coverage of low cost for the working poor and moderate to low income kids belonging to families whose income can be described as just a bit too high for them to be qualified for Medicaid. At the same time, their income fails to be high enough, therefore they are not able to be paying for the private health insurance. CHIP and Children's Medicaid offer qualified families many other benefits. Access and choice are provided, therefore you can choose the doctor you will be going to for office visits and regular checkups. Get referrals and access to medical specialists and mental health care. To find out more benefits about CHIP, please click the link below.